My name is Claudia Alvarez, and I study product service system design at Politecnico di Milano. And right now I'm doing an internship in Norway in a studio called X Design. So it's a great opportunity to grow your network, to meet people, and to see the behind the scene of organizing such a big event. It was really fun. So my team lead was super nice, Judy. So it was great to create like a friendship with her more than just working. That was one of my favorite parts, and also getting to know speakers, the ambassadors, because we started like an ambassador program. So also like my favorite part is being with people actually. So that was the best part. To look, aligned to the topic of this conference, I will say to have the courage to propose ideas. I think that will be the best advice. Like, be creative. Don't think twice if you have a crazy idea that comes to mind on how to promote or how to improve the experience in the conference. That feel free that you have a voice. We've been talking a lot about this topic, and for me it's to speak up. Many times we see things that are not right, but since a client told us to do it, we just follow instructions. But I think it's important to have a moment to do a pause, to think about your values or what you want to do of your design practice, and be very aligned to what you want to, like your purpose, and speak up if you see that something's not working. Yeah.